Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone has at least 20% battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This prevents interruptions. Next, back up your home layout and settings to My Cloud or a local file so you can restore if needed. Once done, go to Settings, Right Arrow Apps, Right Arrow Installed Apps. Find the system launcher, tap Force Stop, then Clear Cache. This removes temporary corrupt data that often causes the not responding error. If clearing cache didn't help, you clear launcher data, but only after confirming your backup. Data reset restores default state and removes corrupt configs. Then make sure MIUI and Google Play system are up to date, because outdated system components can break IPC with the launcher. Also, disable battery optimizations and any third-party launchers temporarily. Aggressive power management or conflicting launchers can force crashes. These steps address deeper software conflicts and ensure the launcher can finally reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app causes the crash. If the launcher works in safe mode, uninstall recent apps until stable. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Restore your backup after the reset to get your layout back. If even a reset fails, reflash the official MIUI image via recovery or fast boot. This repairs broken system files. Tip: if reflashing, verify the ROM matches your device model to avoid bricking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.